we are going to clone the cryptograms that we have stored in the smartphone's secure element in the Cuvex app. This does not require the Cuvex bit device. This is done directly from the app and is a very simple process. We have two types of cryptograms with biometrics. These cryptograms, to clone them, you need to connect an external USB-C memory unit, either a microSD or a flash drive. Because of the size of the cryptogram, we can't store it on NFC cards. But cryptograms that don't have biometrics can be stored on NFC cards. For that, if we clone this type of cryptogram, it gives us the option to save it to an NFC card or to an external memory unit. The process is very simple. You just click on clone and it asks you to bring the card close. Now we have a backup copy. And we're also going to make a backup copy. To see it with a cryptogram that has biometrics, this asks us to connect the memory, USB-C. It's a similar process. The Android device, the smartphone, has already detected the connection. We authorize the folder where we want to save it. All of these are internal folders. Always remember that you'll find the USB-C memory in the main menu. And here we can save it wherever we want in any folder. I have one created for backups to store it here, or if I want, anyone can save it wherever they like, even in the main folder. That's it. We have a backup of the cryptogram without biometrics made to an NFC card, and a backup of the cryptogram with biometrics made to an external memory.